Let's make some fun plant pot decals. And we're going to make them slightly curved, very slightly, but they look great when they're going on conical items or baubles. Now these pots I got from Kmart. They're $1. Bunnings have them for 99 cents. They have white ones, but the Kmart ones only come in sage and mint. So you've got a fair colour choice there. So run down, grab yourself some plant pots, let's get some vinyl, let's make you a decal.
Okay, so we're in studio, and I'm also going to show you how to trace a PNG, because a lot of people don't know quite how to do that. So I've got my Crazy Plant Mum, which I designed. I'm just going to bring that over into studio. I'm going to open up my trace panel, select the trace area, and trace. And you can see we now have a cuttable image. So we can get rid of that PNG, but now we want to warp that so that it will go on our conical plant pot. So let's come over here to our warp panel. So this one here, I came from a little arrow, and we are going to be warping to a conical, and click conical warp selected shapes, and you can see that a little box comes up. Alright, so now we need to adjust the sizing. So I already know that the top, so from here to here on the Kmart plant pots, is 4.5 inches. The bottom is 3, so this bit from here to here, and then the length is 4.4. Okay, and that's what our plant pot looks like. So it's given me a full template there to work with. Now this one here will adjust the size, and you can see how it's staying within that area. So if I make that bigger and I just wanted to go the whole thing, it would warp it for me. So how cool is that? But we just want it to come down a bit. And then this one will adjust where it is on our plant pot. And when we're happy with it, we're just going to click apply. Now, it's very hard to see, but it has slightly warped that, just enough. We don't need it any crazy warp on there. We just need a little bit on there. And that is now ready to cut. So I already have some black matte vinyl loaded in the Cameo, and I'm going to cut that out and show you it applied to the plant pot.
And there you have it, Crazy Plant Mum. And you can see that it is slightly curved, just enough. And then you've got a awesome gift for somebody, or add it to your own plant pot collection. I've got a few. Alright, see you later. Bye.